First, I will grow strawberry seedlings from strawberry seeds. After choosing a nursery pot suitable for the number of plants I want to grow, I put loose soil in the pot. Use a knife to cut the shell containing the strawberry seeds directly into the pot and spread a thin layer of soil on the surface. In addition to providing very good nutrition for plants, ground coffee also stimulates the plants to root and germinate well. It has the effect of repelling insects and preventing pests. Therefore, after sowing strawberry seeds, I use ground coffee mixed with water to water the nursery pot and leave the nursery pot in a cool place. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you. Today, I will take advantage of used 5-liter plastic bottles containing cooking oil, water, or other types to reuse to grow strawberries. Don't miss this video to learn about this special thing. From a 5-liter plastic bottle, I cut it in half and used both the top and bottom of the bottle to grow strawberries, along with a 1.5-meter long bamboo. After cutting the 5-liter plastic bottle into 2 parts, I used a heat gun to punch drainage holes to avoid waterlogging when planting. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. To hang bamboo on the balcony to grow strawberries without tilting, we use 2 screws to fix one end of the bamboo and use steel wire to create a balance and stability for the hook. We do the same with the remaining bamboo head. After preparing all the ingredients, I will proceed to prepare the soil. For the newly planted strawberry plants to grow easily, the soil needs to be loose, helping the metabolism process to take place smoothly, the roots to develop easily, and the plants to germinate quickly. We use a screwdriver to firmly attach the head and tail of the plastic bottle parallel to the bamboo stem with nails, beautifully balanced, with a moderate distance, helping the mulberry tree have enough space to grow. When putting soil in a plastic bottle to plant a tree, we must put just enough to avoid the soil overflowing due to watering or natural impact. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After 10 days of incubation, the mulberry tree has grown healthy and green. Now I can plant it in a pot. When planting, be gentle to avoid breaking branches or damaging young plants. Plant the tree at the base with moderate depth. Avoid waterlogging the soil. The tree will grow more easily. Organic fertilizer in pellet form, very nutritious and long-lasting, not toxic to humans. So after planting, I will use this fertilizer to fertilize the roots of the tree. When watering, the fertilizer will slowly dissolve and absorb nutrients into the tree over time. Finally, I will water each plant. The plant absorbs nutrients, stable humidity to grow. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. After 20 days of planting, the strawberries have grown healthily with green leaves and branches and are about to flower. To give the plant enough energy to flower, I will start taking care of it. At this stage, I will use ground coffee to take care of strawberries because ground coffee has a very good effect of stimulating flowering, preventing pests, mold, and repelling insects that are harmful to plants. Moreover, ground coffee also provides even nutrition, dissolves slowly and gradually penetrates into the soil. In addition to ground coffee, I also use liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish mixed with water to water the plants, providing instant nutrition while waiting for the ground coffee to dissolve. If we provide adequate nutrition during this stage, the plant will be full of energy and grow very well when it flowers, because only then can the dissolved nutrients fully exert their nourishing effect on the plant. Please subscribe to the channel, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much. Thanks to proper care, the strawberries have bloomed and are well nourished. At this point, I just need to mix garlic with water and spray it evenly on the plants. Garlic can stimulate flowering and fruiting very well. It also repels insects and eliminates mold very well in agricultural products. And we just need to water to keep the strawberries moist. Amazing thanks to proper care, in just 2 months, the strawberries have produced a lot of fruit. Now ripe, I can enjoy and give as gifts to friends. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the videos, and visit my channel often. Thank you.